Do what?
Give him the carrot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, why not?
Well, you're not gonna. This might choke him or something.
He won't choke him. He'll just spit it out.
Yeah, all right. All right, hang on.
I think he likes the carrot.
Mm-hmm. Oh, come on, man. You're gonna have good eyesight tonight, buddy. Come on. No more. That's it. You get one card a night. What, you gonna jump up there?
Oh, now you got him all riled.
I didn't do it. You're the one videotaping.
Wow. That's like a Scooby snack. It made him go nuts.
Come on.
I want him to start singing at us again.